Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. So make it a great night, folks. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We get the Dow Industrials up 81, NASDAQ up 38, S&Ps are up 14, gold contract up $11, trading at $1,194 an ounce. Silver up 8 cents at $16.14 an ounce. Copper down 4 pennies at $3 a pound. Light sweet crude cracking that low out there, down 124 at 74.41. Bonds, the 10-year is up 5 ticks at 126.20. 30-year is up 10 ticks at 141.22. King dollar down 355 ticks, trading out at 87.65. The euro is up 83 at 125.33, and the yen is up 29 at 116.93. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? You get a leg up here. We're up 13 bucks. You're at 2054. We take a look at the SPY. What you have with the SPY? SPY is up $1.50 at 205.86, and that also is pulling away from the consolidation that has been in since September. Bottom line is that you got 52 million shares. She's taken out the swing of 85 million. You're not going to do the volume. We'll see how this trades into the close. Now, if we go over to the future, we'll do the futures right first. The E-minis, what you have with the E-minis is this, is that thus far the last leg up, so the leg up that we had at 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock, the E-minis went from 2050 to 2052. You had contracts out there of 25,000. You're testing that area right now, and it looks like you're going to have enough volume because we're at 14,000, and we're dealing with. What's going to happen? Yeah, she's going to open it up at the highs. She's not going to test the highs, which is the 54. She'll open up right there, so that'll make a little leg up, I suspect, before the close out here. Dow and NASDAQ Composite. We take a look at the NASDAQ Composite. What we have with the Composite. Composite's up 38 bucks. You're trading out at 46.74. If we do the NDX 100 and we take a look at the NDX 100, that also, the 3Qs, 17 million shares. Volume continues to contract dramatically. I suspect we're only going to do about 23 million out here versus the 28 versus, versus like 36, 37 million. The IWM, now the Russell 2000, which is still unusual, meaning that it can't get any traction. And it can't get any traction, which is really unusual out here today. It must be the small oil stocks that are basically keeping this down because certainly the gold stocks, silver stocks, they're on the move topside. Russell 2000 still can't get any traction. You're at 116.60. The high, even from last week, was 118.25. The actual high is 120.97. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract out here today, up 10 bucks. We've hit a high of 1204. You've done 158,000 contracts out here. You're building some good cause to get up into this 1255 area. It's going to be interesting how this shakes out. We're definitely inside the higher range right now. Once you got back inside the 1183, which we did this morning, that sets up, wants to go up there and test the 1255 area. What you have with silver, silver's going to need more juice, but bottom line, inside the silver market, sideways move out here today. Silver needs another sign of strength. What you do have, and this is where this gets really intriguing, if you look at the FNV, Franco-Nevada is up at its swing point with volume. Franco-Nevada is up 212 today, $55.98. She's going after the swing of $56. We've already done 1.1 million. The swing has 1.3. Franco-Nevada, we go over to Royal Gold. We take a look at Royal Gold. Both of these are royalty companies. Royal Gold also is at its swing right now, has some good juice underneath it. We've done 942 million. That is going at the 774, so that's coming into the swing with volume. And check this out for silver, SLW. This is important because this is also saying silver's going to go. Silver Wheaton, largest silver broker out there, the swing point 20.73. You're at 21.30 right now. We're doing 5.9 million. It's going to need a little more juice, but bottom line is it's showing up. It's showing up in a big way. So what you do have inside the context of Franco-Nevada, Royal Gold, and Silver Wheaton that is giving you bigger confirmation that the gold market, the silver market wants higher price. We go take a look at the oil markets. Let's take a look at this oil market. Oil is cracking out here. Where is she? Okay, so crude oil's down 1.7%. You're off $1.28. We're trading out 169,000 contracts. And you know what? This thing probably is going to go into $70. It's going to be pretty intense going into $70, no doubt about that. Bonds. We go to the 10-year bond first. We take a look at the 10-year bond. What we have with the 10-year, refusing to back off, sideways move out here today, 752,000 contracts, edging slightly higher. These bonds still want higher price. 30-year bond, same setup in the 30-year. 30 years done 193,000 contracts. King dollar. Now, this is where this is going to get wild, and this is why. King dollar, folks, is down 346 today, and that's not a lot. You're at 25,000 contracts. Yesterday, it wanted to make a run for the highs. Couldn't make it. This morning, what you did is that we come back, and it's actually still light volume. You know, yesterday went up 128,000, but what we had done is that we got to a lower low than the prior day. Today, you're just pulling back down, and King dollar is going to need a bit more volume on the way down. And most of the trading is over for the day. So we'll see if, in fact, we get more volume. The continuous contract, the way that gold is trading right now, the way is that the way gold flat out is trading and the gold equities and the silver equities are trading is telling me that King dollar has hit its high. Now, the real key is going to be, has that hit its swing high? It was testing the 2010 swing high. It missed it by about 66 ticks. I think it was 66 ticks exactly. You know, we made it to 88.36, and it was 88.80. We'll get an answer at the end of this week. The reason being is that the continuous contract right now is trading at 87.66. You close under 87.24, okay, which is another 400 ticks lower. That would confirm that you closed under the high of last week, and then that pullback would basically get going. So, in the context of King dollar in the market, bottom line is that that's where there's divergence, no doubt, because when King dollar was pulling back slightly even the last couple of weeks, the market couldn't stand it. Well, guess what? The market is going topside, period, no matter what happens out here today. Some of the high-volume stocks in this low-volume market, you have Apple up $1.46. Bank of America is flat. GE is up 40 cents. You get Baker Hughes down $1.50. Gilead Science is up 3.28. Let's go over to Gilead because Gilead looks like to me it's been topping out. Yeah, you got to. This actually looks like it's building an ABC structure on the way down. So Gilead is off its high of 116. Has a high volume swing point at October 15th at 91. Came down again with 23 million, going up with 16. Yeah, it's setting up an ABC structure down, but Gilead can absolutely run to 105, and right now we're at 103. If we go to the IBB, we take a look at the IBB. IBB is up today on 1 million shares, and she's going into 1.9 million. So she also is setting up that a smaller consolidation. But the IBB also has a high volume swing low at that October 15th level. Some of the Dow stocks, you get, let's see, Oxy's up $1.10. You have GM down 4 rather. Big Blue is off $1.92. Oh, let's go to Big Blue. This is a Big Blue, man, is in trouble. Look at with the market up, Big Blue is making a run again for its lows. So your swing low on Big Blue is 160.05. Your volume is 4.0 million. We're already at 3.7. Big Blue is in trouble. Big Blue wants to come under that swing point. You come over to that swing point in Big Blue and get out of the way. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. Dow Industrials right now are up 85. Nasdaq's up 37. S&Ps are up 14. Gold's up 11. Silver's up 8 cents. We're going to be right back, folks.